David Breslow's 11 Questions. His links will be in the info section beneath this video. The following are questions to help trigger the feeling of your wish fulfilled. Feeling is the secret. As Neville says, yet many of us get caught up in the words, the labels, the names, the tips and tools. None of these matter. They are just words backed by nothing if some feeling or knowing is not behind them. What do you feel? What do you know? What do you believe? A belief is not a thought about something. It is a feeling. It is really a feeling of certainty about something. Notice the language we use. We say, I feel confident, not I think confident. It is really a feeling, not a thought about something. I offer you these simple questions to spark a feeling about anything. Replace the category with anything related to your desires, no matter what they are, from a mansion to a free lunch. Note: after asking each question, answer it by writing 3 feeling words, as in some of the examples to come. Note: the questions are worded in a way that assumes you already are and have the wish, not later, but now. Ready? 1. How do I feel believing I'm the operant power? I feel inspired, invincible, unstoppable. How do you feel? 2. How do I feel being a loving partner? I feel Three. How do I feel living financially free? I feel How do I feel living in a remarkably healthy body? I feel free, mobile, joyous. How do you feel? 5. How do I feel being at ease with the world? I feel 6. How do I feel knowing my wish is fulfilled? I feel 7. How do I feel knowing I have all the tools within to manifest anything? I feel 8. How do I feel knowing I don't need any more information, tips, or strategies, or hours of study to manifest? I feel 9. How do I feel knowing I've been manifesting my entire life and I'm already a master? I feel 10. How do I feel knowing love has always been who I am, and there's no place else to find it? I feel 11. How do I feel believing I really am God? I feel There you have it. If any of these resonate, great. Play with them. Add your own wording. See what happens. Love ya, David. Copyright David Breslow, 2020.